Alright, well here we got a little river going on. I was just out there walking around. I couldn't resist. All these kids are out there and I said, hey, what the hell? So I changed my clothes and put some dirty clothes on that were in the wash. Figured, what the hell, wash them out there. So I walked around, walked up and down the street. The kids thought that was pretty cool. But then I noticed that the sewer water's coming up. It's getting kind of black and smelly. Mabaho, we say in Tagalog. Mabaho. And but here we go. Got some good range right now. That kid's laying down in that stuff. I wouldn't do that. Hello. So it was fun. I don't know if you can hear me very well. But yeah, I went over there with big water coming down. Took a little shower in that water coming off the roof. But it definitely cleans out the street, as you can see. Canoeing. So, needless to say, I'm not sitting at my desk working on my laptop. I was, but then I started feeling the rain and saw hell. So I got out of there real quick. But that was fun. Brings out a lot of people. They enjoy it. Oh man. All right. Okay, well, I hear the thunder now. This is the most I've seen. We had another day where it was pretty good, but it was at nighttime. It was getting about this deep. This is probably the most I saw so far. When it pours, you know, when it rains, it pours, no doubt. There's somebody enjoying. Alright, well this reminds me of India. In India, when it would rain like this, they would wait for the rain. When it finally rained, they loved it. They'd run around in it because it was so hot. And it finally rained, they just loved it. Alright, well, I'm going to shut her down. Hope you enjoyed the downpour.